Welcome to the Mimic Shortcuts video. Shortcuts is a tool that allows users to build their own customized versions of the data hierarchy. To access the shortcuts, enter the Search Database or binocular icon. Here you have the MIM Hierarchy tab as usual, but notice there's also an additional tab called Crude Futures and Forwards. In this example, I have set up a shortcut tab for crude oil futures and forwards. Shortcuts allows the user to organize symbols and folders in a way that simplifies retrieving symbols for the user. In order to build a shortcut, click on the tab with the gear icon at the end of the tabs. Select the New button to create a new shortcut tab. Enter a name for the tab and click Configure. On the left panel, you see the current complete MIM hierarchy. You will be dragging folders and symbols from this location onto the right panel, which is where you're building your new shortcut. For example, I can drag individual symbols over and drop them into my new shortcut panel. I can also select multiple items at one time and drag those. I can also drag a whole parent folder, which would include all of the symbols under it. Folders that you have moved to the new shortcut can be edited by name and description. By clicking in the new shortcut window, you'll get the Add option. This allows you to add folders to help you organize the individual items that you've added. Once your folder's been added, you can grab the individual items and move them into the folders. Also note that you can reorganize the order in which these items are listed. If you'd like to remove an item, you can just simply highlight that item and select Delete. Once you've completed configuration of your new shortcut, select the Close button. In order for the new tab to show up, what you'll want to do is select the Show checkbox. Also note that there's a Set Public option. This allows you to share the shortcuts that you've created with other users that are hitting the same server as you. If you do not have the Set Public checkbox selected, only you will be able to see your individual shortcuts. The Public Shortcuts tab shows shortcuts others on your server have created and shared. To use one of their shortcuts, simply select the Show checkbox, and the tab will be added with the username in parentheses. Once you've completed configuring and showing the shortcut tabs, you can begin using them to add data items to your worksheet. These shortcut tabs are saved and will be available for use each time you open Mimic. This concludes our training on shortcuts. Instructions are also available in the Mimic user guide, or contact support@lim.com